What will happen in a drag race between the very first 911 GT3 RS, the 996, and a 997.2 GT3 RS, and a 991 GT3 RS, and a 992 GT3 RS? Well, we're going to find out by racing them over the standing quarter mile. I'm Matt Watson, you're watching Carwow. All four generations of the 911 GT3 RS are rear-wheel drive and have naturally aspirated flat-six engines. The OG, the 996.2, has a 3.6 litre with 381 horsepower and 385 Nm of torque. It has a 6-speed manual gearbox and weighs 1,360 kilograms. New, it cost £77,000. Today, it's worth £180,000. The 997.2 has a 3.8 litre engine with 450 horsepower and 430 Nm of torque. It has a 6-speed manual gearbox and weighs 1,370 kilos. New in 2010, it cost £105,000. Now it's worth £200,000. The 991.2 has a 4-litre engine with 520 horsepower and 470 Nm of torque. It has a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic gearbox with launch control and weighs 1,443 kilograms. In 2019, it cost £141,000. Now this car's worth £190,000. Finally, we come to the latest GT3 RS, the 992.1. It also has a 4-litre engine with 525 horsepower and 465 Nm of torque, plus a 7-speed automatic gearbox with launch control. The car has the optional lightweight Visac pack fitted, so it weighs 1,428 kilograms. New, it started from £192,000, but with options and an aftermarket exhaust, this car cost around £250,000. Helping me today, we have racing driver Sam in the 997.
Hello, Mr. Watson.
Hello. And in the 991, we have Mr. Yanni Lambus.
Young Matthew, how are we?
I'm good, thanks. And in the 992, we have, introduce yourself, please. You've sorted this out for us.
Joe in the 992. Glad to be back.
You didn't know his name, did you, Matt? That's why you asked for it.
All these cars sorted out by Velocity Club. Thank you very much. Right, and guys, we're going to start off with the racing. First, though, let's just do a sound check. I'm going to rev up my 3.6 litre flat six. Sam, shall we hear your 3.8? That's got a titanium exhaust. Yeah, I love that. That's my favourite one. Okay, Yanni?
Boo!
Put it into launch control, then do it, and put your bloody little camera down, you weirdo. There you go. Joe, your turn now, mate.
I feel like I've got a bit of a cheat code here, mate. You ready?
Yeah, you've got tuned exhaust on that, haven't you, Joe?
I may have a titanium race system from JCR. Rumour has it.
Well, I'm looking forward to hearing that in a moment. Okay, so what we're going to do, rolling race, third gear roll, and I'll call it over the half mile. Everyone level. 3, 2, 1, go. Pickup is good. That 997 is the best. Wow.
Oh, that's done all right.
Now the 992 is going. I'm not really in this. Not much in it. Wow, okay. That 997 just shot off, Sam. That was amazing pickup.
Yeah, it was unbelievable, wasn't it? I wasn't expecting that. I was ahead of Yanni for a good bit.
Did you miss a gear change, mate? Because I don't know what happened.
Over the half mile, you weren't that far.
No, literally a car's length. That was way closer than I thought it was going to be.
Joe, though, I mean, you just destroyed everyone, didn't you?
So, we haven't mentioned it yet, but I do have a secret weapon behind me, which is active DRS. So I may have opened the gurneys when we were driving, which does reduce drag. So sorry, Annie, I can see the disappointment in your face, mate. But, I mean, use the tools that you have, right?
Did he suddenly just shoot away from you, Yanni? Could you see that happening?
I may have opened the gurneys. Like, sorry about that, Yanni.
Let's do the next thing. So we're going to turn round for a brake test.
Sam! I just opened up the gurneys.
That's not even a gurney, but anyway. But
It's not even a gurney flap.
do you remember the Goonies?
Hey, you guys!
Do you remember the girl who wears the beanie hat and the glasses?
Right, come on then. Brake test from 100 miles an hour. Let's see what happens. Okay, so that was interesting. I think Yanni might have won.
The brake test champion, here again.
Yeah, I'm surprised you beat Sam, but you are in a newer car with carbon ceramics. But weird result between these two. The oldest and the newest, basically neck and neck.
Yeah, confused by that. The DRS is up. I went on the anchors. I saw Yanni's nose dive at the same time as mine did, but he shot back. That was very interesting.
Crazy, crazy. Yeah, and I think you're actually just a little bit ahead of me, aren't you, Joe?
Not sure about that. We'll have to leave it up to the adjudicators.
Okay guys, we've taken the footage from the brake test and I can confirm that the 992 lost.
Ah,
It was
down
further
there.
ahead than the 996.
Sorry, guys.
Ah, Joe! You got beat by the old car, actually. But I don't think that's going to happen now. We're going to do a rolling race from 10 miles an hour, roll in the first gear and race over the half mile. Now, before you race, if you're thinking about getting a Porsche, you can lease one through Carwow. Find out more about that, follow the link in the description of this video, or click on the pop-out banner, or scan the QR code on screen now. If not, let's race.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, there goes the 997.
Come on!
What is going on with the cars in front? I can't see. I'm not that far behind.
It's done well though.
That was really interesting, Sam. So compared to the rolling race in third gear, you can really notice the difference in torque between these two engines. When we were rolling in first gear, that was much closer between our two cars.
It was closer, and I think the ratios were the only little bit difference up until the end of second gear. It's like we had equally good shifts, but you seemed to shift into second quicker than I did. And I just dragged out a little bit there, and then the torque picked up on this, and that was it. But yeah, I think that car was unbelievably quick.
You were so much further behind then than the modern cars with the automatic gearboxes. So Yanni, what happened to you?
I had the jump on him, and then the gurneys must have opened up.
And then he come past me, but
Overall, this was flying.
Joe, have you got anything to say?
I mean, I think I might have found what went wrong with the braking test. These tyres are not giving much traction. I spun up off the line, Yanni got a great launch, and then my gurneys helped me get the victory.
Good old gurneys. Gurneys sound like a sort of fish. Anyway, let's do the drag race, but let's make sure that our tyres are nice and warm. So Joe, if you want to warm up your tyres, and Yanni, if you need to, get and do some warming.
I knew he'd mess it up.
Come on.
Drivetrain fault, I know. Sorry, guys.
I knew he'd mess it up.
Keep going, everyone.
It's not about the car, it's about the driver.
Well, there we go. 9911. Your gear ratios are so different than mine.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. It's massive, isn't it? You have to be really slow with these gear shifts, though, don't you? But you can see the difference in first and second in these cars.
Right, and Joe, you're going to join us for this race?
I've been considering it, to be honest with you. You guys are like having a lot of fun up there. I think I'll join you this time round.
Let's give it another go then.
What a launch.
Oh, it's that second gear then. Come on!
That's on the money.
Well, that was a lot of fun. Were you happy with that, Joe?
Yeah, the car launched, but it was not putting the power down. I was just leaving 11s. Yanni is hooking up on those Cup 2s well.
Are you telling me that you won, Yanni?
That launch was insane. That was easy, easy, light work.
So victory then for Yanni, and you came second, obviously, Joe. Third, Sam, and yeah, me, I came last. Do you know what? One more drag race between Yanni and Joe.
Okie dokie.
I just don't want to launch these old girls again, okay? Right, so what do you think's going to happen now? He's got his tyres warm.
I think it's a timing issue. I think there is a little bit of a delay in the PDK.
3, 2, 1.
Come on.
It's just lighting these bloody tyres up, man.
Got him.
I think the launch of Joe might have been a jump, or it was bang on. He reacted really well.
Bit of a jump, but it did smoke up his tyres.
Smoked up his tyres crazy. He's not putting his power down.
No, it's not.
You lost, Joe.
Mate, I did lose, and I'm not sure what's worse, losing or your winning face.
Just come back down, one more race, winner takes all. This is your last chance. Your tyres are definitely warm now. If you don't win this time, then it's something to do with your gurneys. Where are you going? Are you going on like a North Sea shore trawler or something?
Hold on tight! Oh! What's the
Listen, I'm a dad now and I'm cold.
Can you get me in there with you?
Yeah, come on in. Hold on. Oh, here we go. Come on in.
Who do you think's going to win this time?
Yanni.
Yanni? What's
I think
that?
Yanni's going to do everything. You just have to.
All right.
3,
Oh! Come on! Come on! Close! Oh, it's close! Come on! I've got him now! Oh! Oh! Did I win? I don't even know.
Wow, that was so close. How do you think you did?
Mate, I don't even know if I won. I was so focused at keeping it on the tarmac.
Oh, they don't know. No one knows. No one knows. Bring your cars down here. Come back down. Okay, guys, this was so close. right? Really, really close. Do you know who won?
I don't know who won.
Do you?
I'm pretty sure I know
Okay,
who won.
we don't know. We don't know from the camera angles and stuff. We're going to have to put it in the edit and find out in the slow-mo. But we've decided it's winner takes all. Whoever wins that one is the winner.
I'm fine with that.
Okay, you've got no other choice, mate.
I was going to say.
Well, the slow motion action replay reveals that the 991 beat the 992 by the narrowest of margins, but both cars completed the standing quarter mile in 11.5 seconds. But how does this compare to the other two cars? Well, the 997 did a quarter mile time of 12.4 seconds, and the 996 took 12.9 seconds. Oh my God, that was incredible. Listen, I hope you'll enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like. If you want to watch some other videos, click on the video windows. If you want to see these cars quarter mile times and how they compare to everything else we have a drag race, then click on the CarWow logo. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.